Look at this. We will put this to my baby. Because you have sipon. You're very good, love. What will you say? Tamara asked me to put this betadine for nose. Because Samara has what?
Sipon.
Oh, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say love you guys.
Bye-bye, guys.
I'm only mommy you love.
I love you.
We cannot hear you.
I'm putting on the put this in the nose.
It's done. I
No.
already put it.
And put it in the nose.
More?
Yeah.
Done. More?